Greetings folks, it's Skiz Fernando. Welcome back to another edition of Pan Asian. And boy, have I got a good one for you today. This is one of my go-to Thai dishes when I'm feeling like I really need to have some tasty Thai food. And it's a dish you've probably eaten in a restaurant many times. It's called Basil Chicken. And of course, the special ingredient we're using today is this wonderful fresh Thai basil. Which just smells and tastes amazing. And aside from this, there's very few ingredients in this dish. So let me show you exactly how to put this together in your very own kitchen. It's very quick, it's very easy, delicious, and healthy. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Alright, so follow me. To make this dish, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of oil. And for stir frying, I recommend you use oil with a high burning point, like peanut oil or grapeseed oil, which I'm using here. 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into 1-inch pieces. 2 shallots, finely chopped. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. 3 fresh red or green Thai chilies, pounded in a mortar and pestle. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, which you can get at any Asian store. 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, which has a little stronger taste than regular soy sauce. You can get that at an Asian store as well. 2 teaspoons of palm sugar or brown sugar, like I'm using here. 1 bunch of Thai basil leaves, and you're going to want to remove the stems. And finally, half a teaspoon of ground white pepper. Alright, you ready to get cracking? Let's do it. Alright, once our wok is hot, we're going to add a tablespoon of our oil. And to that, we're going to add the chicken. And we're just going to stir fry the chicken for about 5 minutes, just to brown it on all sides. Alright, and once the outside of the chicken is uniformly cooked, like this, I'm going to remove it from the heat and drain it in this colander. Alright, when we return the wok to the heat, we're going to add the shallots and the garlic. And we're just going to stir fry these shallots till they're golden brown like this. And then we will reintroduce the chicken along with our chilies, the fish sauce, the soy sauce, and the sugar. And make sure you mix all your ingredients really well. Make sure everything gets combined, like so. And we're going to let that cook for about 5 minutes or until the chicken is done. And you just want to let it cook. Don't stir fry it too much. Don't toss it around too much. And our last step will be to add the fresh basil leaves. Kind of mix those around. And we're also going to add our white pepper as kind of a finishing touch. And we're going to just stir fry this till the basil is wilted. Just like that. And there you have it, folks. Simple as that. Basil chicken. Dish from Thailand on Pan Asian. And as you can see, I'm eating it with a little white rice. And just gonna dig right in here. And you know, sometimes if you're served this dish in a Thai restaurant, they use ground chicken. And they sometimes serve it in lettuce wraps. But I like to use these chunks of chicken. Wow. It's really spicy, really good. The Thai basil just adds an incredible flavor to the dish. And in fact, this dish you can actually adapt. You can use beef, pork, squid. You don't have to use chicken. It's more of a kind of a technique that they use. But wow. Tastes amazing, and you saw how easy it was to make. So I hope this is one of the dishes that you add to your repertoire at home. And until next time, my name is Skiz Fernando. I'll see you on the next Pan Asian.